Shiba Inu Coin has been absolutely exploding. Let's talk about where this coin could be headed very soon, my personal thoughts on it, and of course, what I think it's going to be doing very soon. Make sure to watch to the very end of this video so you don't miss any of my Shiba Inu Coin analysis, and of course, like and subscribe so you don't miss any of these new videos. But other than that, guys, let's get right into this video. Alrighty guys, here we are with Shiba Inu Coin sitting at about 0.00008681, and of course it's going to fluctuate as the video is being made, because obviously crypto markets are always live, they're always going, and the price and kind of fluctuations of price are always happening. We're down just about 5.05% here on this kind of time frame that we're looking at here, and overall Shiba Inu Coin has been on a bit of a tear, as you can see here recently. And we'll even hop over here. As you can see here, this is what we've been seeing with Shiba Inu Coin as of late. This crazy run up here. We're seeing a little bit of a pullback here in the most recent time frame here. A little bit of a large red candle starting to form just here. I believe this is the 1 month chart. We're on the 4-hour time period, at least as far as where the time period we're looking at. And overall, Shiba Inu Coin has just been ripping. It's been doing very well over the past couple of hours. A lot of people are seeming to think that there might be some celebrity adoption coming soon. This includes big names like Mark Cuban or Elon Musk, who may be, trying to pick up this kind of cryptocurrency, Shiba Inu specifically, in some type of way, pushing it forward into some ecosystem or something like that. It's a lot of rumor and speculation though, so keep that in mind, and that's why I can't really have a very specific way of talking about it, because a lot of it is just that. It's rumored, it's speculation. But again, this coin is no stranger to running off of speculation. We've all seen this, of course, a million times over happen before. As you can see here, we are still not even close to being back to these very all-time highs that we saw in the beginning of this coin. This is where, it made basically hundreds of thousands of dollars, if not millions, for certain people who bought in at these lower levels. But now, we're kind of trying to push back into those higher levels. We have made another high, but again, it has bounced off this resistance point. As you can see here, it's multiple times tested this resistance line and is not really broken. It broke a little bit above that, but again, it's not really sustaining or supporting itself up there. The big tell in whether or not this rally is going to continue to last is if it can stay above this resistance point here at the 949 level. If it cannot, and it continues to downtrend, and even if it goes back up and it again tests this resistance point and then bounces back, it's still going to be a little bit of a close call. We're going to be watching that very closely, guys. Just a quick look here at the Shiba Army subreddit. As you can see here, lots of people still very bullish on this coin. Most of the crypto coins are down today, but not our beloved Shib. Buy and hold. Someone promised me there would be a zero eaten by now. You get the point. A lot of people are still very excited about this coin, still talking about it, pretty religiously. It's not just about hodling. We need to swap, spread the word, keep buying more. I'm buying another 300 million Shib in the next 24 hours. Come join me, army, and then rocket ship emojis, of course. But overall, as you can see here, the Shiba Army subreddit is still doing very well and still has pretty high morale as far as the overall price goes with Shiba Inu. Let's hop into this Yahoo Finance article today. This is kind of the main point of the video today, and we'll talk a little bit about what I basically just talked about with breaking resistance. As you can see here, the title is Shiba Inu Breaking Resistance. Doesn't seem so far-fetched. Let's read a little bit about it. I'll give my thoughts on it, of course, and we'll see what we're looking at. Shiba Inu is trading higher Monday as the crypto markets move higher. It's one of Dogecoin's main meme crypto competitors. Shiba Inu looks to be nearing a breakout level and could shoot higher if the momentum continues. Shiba Inu was up about 9.19% at 0.000092 at last check Monday. Shiba Inu daily chart analysis. Here's a little bit. Shiba Inu has been forming a cup pattern up towards a key resistance level, possibly heading or ready for a breakout soon. The crypto trades above the 50-day moving average, green, indicated recent sentiment has been bullish. The moving average may hold as an area of support in the future. The 0.0001 level has acted as a resistance in the past for crypto, and the crypto is forming a cup pattern, pinching the price up to the resistance level. The relative strength index, or RSI, has been climbing higher and now sits at 74. The RSI is now entered into the overbought range. If price can break resistance while the crypto is overbought, it may be a perfect recipe for a breakout. So as you can see here, this is what they're looking at least on the chart overall. That is on TradingView, obviously. And this is what we're looking at as far as the breakout is concerned. Again, resistance points here, like I mentioned before, it is tested. It's broken a little bit above those resistance points, but again, not anything major. And if it can do that again, but actually we have pulled back since this article was posted. Sorry, I just realized that. So unfortunately, it did test that resistance point and went to the downside. However, that does not mean it's necessarily over yet. It could break back above. We're going to be watching that obviously very closely and just making sure that everything is going well the way we think it could go. Again, there's a lot of speculation here, guys. It's so hard with Shiba Inu because it very much trades off emotion and not as much off of fundamentals. There is news that affects this coin, but again, a lot of it is of course actual holder based, and when holders and people who buy this coin buy and hold, again, the price tends to go up as well. Of course, when there's any emotional kind of connection going on, when there's a big emotional catalyst happening in the markets, usually Shiba Inu tends to run as well. What's next for Shiba Inu? Bullish traders would like to see Shiba Inu continue to trade above the cup and then go on to break resistance. If the crypto can hold above resistance and consolidate, it may continue to climb. Bearish traders are looking to see Shiba Inu fall below the cup pattern and continue to fall lower. If the crypto can drop below the moving average, it may see a change in sentiment. So what has happened since then? Well, we have seen basically a little bit of a break. Actually, sorry, this was, my bad, this was 19 hours ago, so really about a day or two ago, or a day ago. This was the pennant pattern that it ended up making, and then it broke out of that pennant pattern really nicely up to the kind of 9.4 level here, and then unfortunately has pulled back significantly a little bit here. It might not do that though. If it can start building support at this level, we could see higher levels be reached with Shiba Inu coin. But again, that's if. That's a big if. So guys, we're gonna be watching Shiba Inu very closely, making sure to keep you guys up to date with everything going on in the crypto markets. Again, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any of this stuff. But other than that, guys, that is pretty much it today for Shiba Inu coin. Make sure to like the video, subscribe if you're new, hit the notification bell so you never miss a new video like this. If you guys want to pick up a free stock with Public, it's an amazing social investing network that you guys can follow some of your favorite investors on, including us, and keep up to date with what we're buying, what we're selling, and of course our overall thoughts on the market. And when you use that link down below, it not only helps support the channel, but it allows you to get a free stock of a great selection of companies. So if that sounds interesting to you guys, check out the link down in the description below. But other than that, guys, that is all I have for you guys today. I'm Kyle with Finance Bro. Take it easy.